Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm showing you a recipe of braided chicken bread. So let's start. First we need 200 grams of chicken. I'm boiling with black pepper, red chili powder and salt and some oil. We need to boil it for until it's fully cooked. So I have mixed 2 teaspoons of yeast in 50 ml of milk and I'm gonna keep it aside for fermentation. 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I have added salt and 2 tablespoons of butter and I'm gonna mix them nicely. To this mixture I'm going to add the fermented milk with yeast and make a nice dough with this. This dough I'll keep it aside for 2 hours. In a pan add some butter and all-purpose flour. Then mix it well. To this add some milk and make sure there are no lumps. Mix it well. Add black pepper, chili flakes and capsicum. To this mixture I am going to add boiled chickens which I have shredded it. To this I have added some Mozilla cheese and some hot chili sauce, and our stuffing is almost ready. So our dough is almost ready. So I'm gonna divide it into 2 and make 2 big chicken breads with this. So we need to make it long, like a rectangle shape. As you can see, when it's thin, not very thin, you will start stuffing in the center. Take a sharp knife and start cutting like how I'm showing in the video. After both the sides are done, we will show you how to fold. Just follow the step. It's really simple. After it's done, you have to brush with egg nicely on the sides and on the center also. It will give you nice color. This is optional. I'm sprinkling with white sesame seeds on the top. Now we just have to bake it for 15 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. And it is ready. Look how beautiful this looks. It tastes also so amazing. You must try and let me know in the comments. Thank you.